Imagining that this loved one is supporting you, feel the sensations of love grow in your body, deeply relaxing you, filling you with joy. Extend gratitude for this person right now. See yourself saying thank you to them with authentic emotion from deep within you. Be grateful for this love you are experiencing. Good. Breathe in and out, letting each breath fill you with love. In and out, in and out, relaxing. Bring into your mind the thought of a huge mirror with a beautiful wooden frame. You can see your entire reflection in the mirror. The reflection represents you in your most pure form of love. Notice what you look like. How are you holding yourself? Breathe in deeply and see your reflection saying to you, I love you. You have made it through the difficult moments in life and have enjoyed all the wonderful moments. You deserve to fully love yourself. Smile and say to your reflection, I love you so much. Feel in your body the power of these words. What do you notice? Now take this amazing sensation and visualize that you can send it out to your community, your city, your country, and the entire world. The power of love is endless and accessible at any time. Whenever you are ready, open your eyes and see the love that surrounds you.